Losing 10 kilograms in 10 days is an extremely ambitious goal and not necessarily healthy or sustainable. However, I can provide a recipe for a refreshing drink that can complement a balanced diet and exercise regimen to help support weight loss, particularly focusing on reducing belly fat during the summer months. Summer weight loss drink recipe ingredients: 1 medium cucumber, peeled and chopped, 1 medium lemon, juiced, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon honey optional, for sweetness to -3 mint leaves, 1-2 cups of water, ice cubes optional. Instructions: prepare the ingredients, wash and peel the cucumber, chop it into smaller pieces for easier blending, juice the lemon and grate the ginger, blend. In a blender, combine the chopped cucumber, lemon juice, grated ginger, honey if using, mint leaves, and water. Blend until smooth. Strain optional. If you prefer a smoother drink, strain the mixture through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to remove any pulp or larger pieces. Serve. Pour the drink into glasses over ice cubes if desired. Garnish with additional mint leaves or a slice of lemon. How it helps. Hydration. Cucumber and lemon are high in water content, which helps keep you hydrated during hot summer days. Proper hydration supports overall health and can aid in weight loss by keeping your metabolism functioning optimally. Low calorie. This drink is low in calories but rich in vitamins and minerals. It can be a refreshing alternative to sugary beverages, helping to reduce overall calorie intake. Metabolism boost. Ginger has thermogenic properties that can help increase metabolism and aid in fat burning. It also aids digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort. Antioxidants. Lemon and mint are rich in antioxidants that support immune function and help combat oxidative stress in the body. Tips for best results. Consistency. Incorporate this drink into a balanced diet and regular exercise routine for best results. It's not a miracle drink but can complement a healthy lifestyle. Portion control. Remember to monitor overall calorie intake and practice portion control. Drinking this alongside proper meals and snacks is key. Variety. While this drink can be refreshing, don't rely on it as your sole source of nutrition. Include a variety of whole foods in your diet for balanced nutrition. Consult a professional if you have any health concerns or specific dietary needs. Consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. This summer weight loss drink can be a refreshing addition to your routine, helping you stay hydrated while supporting your weight loss goals. Pair it with a healthy diet and regular physical activity for sustainable results over time.